rice and beans with shrimp, and these are the ingredients. The three main ingredients are wild shrimp, rice, and 2 cans of beans. First, I'm going to marinate the shrimp with salt and pepper, lemon juice, and garlic that I'm going to shred in a beautiful Spanish plate. I'm going to leave the link below if you want to get it for yourself. For this dish, I usually use the purple onions together with the bay leaves for its unforgettable aroma. I'm going to use the diced onions together with the spring onions for the beans, and I'm going to use the half moons for the rice. This is an easy dish that I make, that everything is done at the same time and it's just so easy whilst I make other chores. I'm going to use the beef pastrami to enhance the flavor of the bean stew. Recipes inspired in the Brazilian cuisine, and of course I have beautiful friends that are Brazilian, and this is always a way of connecting with my friends and a great time that we always have together. Love to know in comments what is the dish that connects you with your friends. So now I'm going to saute all the onions for the beans and for the rice. When the onions are transparent, I will add the rice and I will fry the rice with the onions for a couple of minutes. I will add boiling water 1 finger above the rice. Allow to cook for 10 minutes and the rice is then ready. Whilst the rice is cooking, I'm going to make the shrimp and the beans will be finishing at the same time. And I already want to thank you so much for your likes and comments, and don't forget to subscribe because we'd love to have you in our tribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll receive all the notifications of the new videos. I'm going to concentrate on this stew, and I will add the full content of the can of beans. I will add a little bit of water so the full content of the can is going to be in the sauce that will become thicker and so full of flavor. I love the beans softer and the thick sauce. If you like a little bit harder beans, so it's better not to add so much water. It's up to you. Now I'm allowed to reduce on a medium-high heat. As I love a little bit of spice, I'm going to add a dash of chili flakes. I'm going to prepare the shrimp. I'm going to allow to fry for 1 minute for each side, and then I'm going to mix with the beans to gain flavor and to finish cooking. I'm going to mix it. Now it's just time for the shrimp to gain some flavor from the beans and the beans from the shrimp. Now it's time to serve with love and fun. Bon appetit! Oh my God. Yay! Smells so good. Beautiful. So good. To live for. Apparently, I have a bungee jumping spider in my kitchen.